I call myself as a simplifier. I believe that complexity is the enemy of execution. And I noticed that I can help people to simplify things. So this was my motivation. When I started to do these workshops, I noticed that the feedback what I get from people is very positive. My way of explaining things is very clean. I believe that first people need to understand emerging technologies so they can start to utilize it in a right way, and that's why AI workshops are in my core at the moment, because first business or employees need to understand emerging technologies before they can start to go ahead with that one. How I can help companies? I can give you an example because it's very wide range what I can do. So for example, if you have multiple channels where you get feedback, so I can simplify these feedback channels into the one, and you can get the results out of there what you want. I'm using sometimes AI, large language models, sometimes it's only forms, some kind of forms, or even Excel, Microsoft Excel, where is a drop-down menus, and I'll automate things by that. So really it depends what kind of problem you have. But always I use emerging technologies in that, one way or another. So what businesses can get out of this? Simpler processes, less manual work, and overall better understanding of their business. So it gives you a competitive advantage and a happier personnel.